Hi folks, what you're looking at here is a 08 BMW 3 Series. It's pretty filthy inside, and the customer has come to us because he wants the upholstery cleaned. So what we've said to him is we'll clean the upholstery, but that's really where you draw the line, and then take the car to your local car valet service and get them to clean all this and all the body work and all the rest of it and that. It's just really not worth spending hundreds and hundreds of pounds on having the interior fully deep cleansed. It's just not worth it. The car is old, and it just doesn't have the money in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean all the upholstery in this car, okay, and then once that's done, the customer can then take it to the valet centre and they can do the rest of it. You'll find that most of these car wash valet centres are not equipped to deal with cleaning upholstery, so that's really where we come in. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll come back to this car in a short while after we have cleaned all the upholstery and that, but before we do, let's have a look and just see how it looks. So there's lots of stains all over the fabrics there, as you can see, dog hairs and just general grime, and we'll come back to this in a bit and we'll see how it looks in. Right, we have just deep cleaned the seats in this 3 Series BMW, and as you can see, it's looking miles better. It is worn in places. Down here, looks like they've had a baby seat there at some point, and it's rubbed away at the fibres, but it's looking loads better. And we're just drying out the front 2 seats, so when our customer arrives, he can drive it off. It's the seats are dry enough to sit on and use the car. So there you have it, folks. The most cost-effective way of cleaning an older car, really, to a good standard, really would be to have it valeted, and then we step in to clean the fabrics.